Because the brain does not buy based on value alone. Instead, it buys based on what the value means for the individual. For example, a real estate buyer does not purchase a property because of its price to yield ratio alone. They buy because of what that yield means: security, status, family stability, financial growth, or personal pride. The deeper meaning becomes the real motivator. The book introduces a communication structure known as the Neuro Message framework, which helps salespeople craft messages that resonate with the brain. This framework includes 1. Starting with empathy and understanding the customer's internal world. 2. Presenting insights that shift the customer's perspective. And 3. Describing a future transformation that feels emotionally compelling. The goal is not manipulation. Rather, it is alignment, showing the customer a clearer, more desirable path forward. Another essential concept is the role of cognitive load. The brain prefers simplicity. When a salesperson overwhelms a customer with excessive details, the brain experiences fatigue and becomes resistant. The book advises presenters to structure information in short segments, use relatable analogies, and guide the customer with clarity rather than complexity. When information is simple and emotionally relevant, the brain rewards the listener with dopamine, which increases engagement and trust. Neuro Selling also explains how the brain responds to risk. Humans are wired to avoid loss more strongly than they pursue gain. Therefore, a sales approach that focuses only on benefits may not activate the emotional urgency needed for action. Instead, the book recommends contrasting the customer's present challenges with their improved future, helping the brain recognize both the cost of inaction and the reward of change. This dual perspective reduces emotional resistance and boosts motivation. Another powerful point is the emphasis on identity-based motivation. People make decisions that align with who they believe they are or who they want to become. Salespeople who can help customers see a better version of themselves naturally activate long-term commitment. For instance, in real estate, buyers are not simply purchasing a property. They are becoming someone who makes wise investments, protects their family, or takes a confident step into wealth building. Identity selling taps into the deepest layers of motivation. The book also highlights the idea of shared narrative. Instead of telling the customer what to think, highly effective communicators co-create the story with them. Asking thoughtful questions activates the customer's prefrontal cortex, making them feel ownership of the idea. When the customer feels they discovered the decision themselves, the emotional commitment becomes far stronger than when they are told what to do.